Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about pruning mango panicles and also thinning young mangoes. So I noticed lately other gardeners are pruning their mango panicles and thinning mangoes. So I wanted to come back here and see what I can thin and prune. So we're gonna start low first. All right, you see this panicle here? Nothing's on it at all. So I'm just gonna cut that down. Not all the way. I guess right there is good. Here's a small mango here. I'm not really sure if that's gonna make it or not, but I'll leave it. And we could cut this piece off right here. And this whole one right here is nothing on this. Nothing at all. So we're gonna cut this one down like so and just keep going. This one have 0 mangoes. Cut it back. This one up top has 3. You guys can see that. So I'm gonna leave it. The one next to it has 1 small mango right there. I might just cut maybe the top off of this long one that looks like it's halfway dead anyway. You guys see that? This is a small one right here. I'll leave that one. This one have 2. Not really sure. Like somebody else probably would just knock off that yellow one, so let's do that. Yeah, that came off too easy. All right, so let's see. Oh, okay. Some over here. Yeah, they're not just coming off if you pull it, so I'm gonna cut it off. And cut off this one too. And down here, this panicle is completely empty. This is a yellow one here. Whoa, well, they all kind of fell off ASAP, so. All right. Oh, and I don't know if I said this, but this is the fruit punch. This is the fruit punch mango. All right, let's go back here. This one has a small mango on it. All right, it fell off. So let's just cut that. And the one next to it too, that's bare. And this one too. There's nothing on this one at all. Let's cut that down. Right here, let me go around. So we have 2 more here. This is one, nothing on it. Well, that one just came completely out. Okay. This one is yellow here. So yeah, let's see if it comes off all the way. No, so I'll just cut it. All right. That's it for the fruit punch. See, there's a few here on this fruit punch and a few right here. So I don't really want to go crazy and knock off mangoes, so I'll see what those do for a little bit longer. All right, let's see. This one is the East Indian. As you can see, it has some powdery mildew right there at the top part of the stem. If I shake it though, it's not coming off, so I'm gonna leave that. Let's see if this one come off. Nope. This one is pretty big, so I'm gonna leave that. These are old flowers with some small mangoes on it here. Let's see what these do. This panicle here has some powdery mildew as well. Nope, not coming off. Okay, let's shake this one. Nope. So the East Indian seems to be holding on pretty well to its mangoes. So let's move on. All right. This pina colada don't have anything. The rosy gold is the showstopper right now. Look at that. Look at these two. So, oh, and look at this one that's hiding. See that one? Okay, so let's cut that. And we're gonna cut this one. And this one. I hope I'm in focus because I'm just cutting the panicles off the surrounding mango right there. All right, let's do this one. Ain't that much to do. Let's go around. All these jabos in my way. All right. So you see here how it's all brown and dead looking. We're gonna cut that off. Pretty. Look at that. Okay, so like the whole top right here has 0 mangoes. I'm just gonna cut all of that off. But this limb have 2. So let's just go ahead, cut these down. Well, that one came off great. And I have to go around the other side for that big one. Okay, so you guys see this panicle here? Nothing on it. We're gonna cut that off. And this one also. And this one. Okay, it is 90 degrees out here today, guys, so I'm just trying to hurry up so my phone won't start overheating. This is the East Indian I came back to. All right, let's go check out some other ones in the back. Oh, I missed the panicle. It's the fruit punch. It's weird how I bend the panicle and it don't break, but if I try to cut it short, like some of them just fall right off completely. So anyway, let's go to the back where there are more mangoes to look at. Oh, I missed the branch on the rosy gold. I missed the panicle. So let's cut this off. All right, so let's go. Let me just cut through here. So I learned the idea of cutting off panicles is to give the other young mangoes more energy to grow. So this one have a lot on it. This is the 015. Let's see if anything come off. Nope. So I'm gonna leave that. See, we got a lot right here. Pretty. All right, I think it's some more in the middle. Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty mango. Let's cut this off. Okay, phone overheated, guys. I knew it was gonna happen. It's too hot. So, okay, we're in front of the Super Julie. And Super Julie has a lot of panicles. So, I'm just gonna run through these and clip them off. I only see like 5 mangoes on this whole tree. That one ain't gonna make it. This one might. Yeah. This one might. So that's 2, 3. We got 3. And there's one behind it. 4. Yeah, so we got 4 decent sized mangoes that don't look like they're gonna fall off. So the rest of these panicles are gonna be clipped off. Let's go ahead and start now. Yeah, cause this sun is beaming today. I guess next year we'll get more mangoes. So I cut like most of that panicle off, and I'm gonna cut off the small one right there. All right, so let's come around here. This is the back of the tree. Nothing going on back here. Here's another one. This one up top, nothing. All right, small one right here. Nothing as well. Nothing right here. This one, nothing going on. Yep, that's it. That's the Super Julie. So we got, let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, let me cut this piece off right here too. Well, that's it. Oh, here's one more. See, there's a lot of panicles on here. And I think that's it. Oh, wow. Here go 2 more hiding. Look at that. So we got 2 more mangoes right there. All right, so that's 6. So we have 6 so far on the Super Julie, and that's it. Trying to look around to see if I'm missing anything. The pineapple pleasure didn't fruit this year, and my coconut cream didn't either. So this is the coconut cream. Nothing on coconut cream this year either. All my young mangoes are just pushing new leaves. I think this is the Carrie. It's like fleshing out so pretty. And what is this one? Oh, that's the Juliet. This is the Juliet. Flushing out also. This is the Prom Chimera. Nothing on that. Oh, I missed this part of the East Indian. Some small panicles here. I don't know, some small mangoes here. I'm gonna leave those. I caught off this dry piece at the left side. Some small ones here. I'll see what happened. I'm not too like in a hurry to be knocking off mangoes, so I'll see how everything do a little bit longer. All right, thank you guys for watching my pruning video, and you guys have a good one.